Hello everyone, today is a video on how to factory reset this Soyealink, Soyealink model B535-333 4G, possibly even 5G, I actually haven't checked, mobile router, which also comes with external antenna connections as well. On the back of the router, as you look at it straight on, where you've got the power connector on the left hand side, further to the left of that is the reset hole, which you will need to press with a pin or an unbent paperclip or something similar. You need to put the paperclip or pin into the reset button and hold it down until the internet light on the left hand side of the router starts or goes orange and then starts flashing. At that point you can take the paperclip out. All the other lights on the front of the router will go out and the router will reboot and all the lights will come back on, and when it starts up again it will be back onto its default IP address and the default settings which are on the label on the back of the router. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If it has, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have the video notifications switched on, but the subscriber numbers really do help. Thank you very much. It appears this router is also sold under the name Huawei. I presume that the name change is a way to get around the UK and possibly other EU countries who have embargoes on China's Huawei equipment. So it could also be a Huawei B535-333 router.